Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are talking about something that's super useful if you are looking to focus, reduce distractions, or just take a break from notifications on Instagram. The quiet mode. Quiet mode is a feature that helps you stay present without all the interruptions from your Instagram notifications. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now open it. Now go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. Once you are on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open your settings menu. Now find the option of notifications. Now open it. Here you can find the pause all notifications and simply select it. Next, there will be the option of how much you want to keep it on quiet mode and select one option. Now the Instagram app has gone to the quiet mode. So once quiet mode is on, you won't get notifications for anything. No likes, no comments, no new DMs. It's like a notification free zone. If you want to turn off, simply tap on it. And that's it. You have learned how to use quiet mode on Instagram to keep your notifications in check and focus on what really matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.